So the India and INC diversify investment from the metal to the material. Metal may be the medal which we are won in the Olympics. Let's read. Beyond contributing to the GDP, large Indian conglomerates and the top PSU are also bulking up their national supporting capital by the investment in the journeys, training and preparation the Indian athletes for the Paris Olympics. Sorry. So the Indian company, the PSU company, are also supporting the athletes in their journey for the uh, Paris Olympic. This time is the third time the Paris is held economy. It is started on the 26th July and might be until the 17 to 18 August. Companies such as companies such as JSW Steel, Reliance, Adani, Tata Steel, and others have generously shelled out hundreds of crores of development to the Paris-bound Indian state athlete. State-run companies like NTPC, NMDC also been supporting many of the athletes by investing in the sports and the field closest to. So in India, it is mandatory for the companies having a profit to contribute 2% of the average profit to the CSR project. So these companies might be using their CSR fund to help to build sports better quality of sports facility in the India. The Paris Olympics has been 30 to 40% increase investment from the some of the top Indian corporates compared to the previous games of the industry. So in the Tokyo Olympics last Olympic, India has performed very well, and Neeraj Chopra was able to build the first gold medal. So this have make companies more attractive to making the investment in the sports of the India. And also it is said that India, the one of the favorite Indian sport is only the men's cricket team, but in order to make youth aspire about the to participate in the uh, more and more sports activity, the government must spend equally advertisement on this cricket, men's sport cricket as well as the other sport as well, so that it can be a long-term benefit for the India to build players in the multiple sport and not restricted to the cricket only. So this Paris Olympic over operation investment is 300 crore, said Devanshu Savage, chief of the GSW Sports. This includes training, exposure, camp, rehab, recovery of our athlete, and our satellite center in the Himachal, Manipur, Odisha. This is about the 40% increase in these companies are investing highly on the sports to help the players to make their career, and by providing facilities like training centers, good diet, food, and the others. Training, exposure camp, training facility, good diet plans, and the medical facility as well. GSW partners with the 41 athlete of the Paris Olympics and has trained, supported, and managed one of the third time India to contingent Paris. As per part of the company has spent 150 crore capital investment, which went towards the building the sports infrastructure. He added. So it is very necessary for the country to support the our sport player as well, because when a sport person will be doing his training, he will be earning a no money, but he always have a mind to support his family. So how they going to support his family? Because these company can help these sport person by providing training facility, uh, uh, medical facility, diet facility, plus monetary benefit, so that in back of the mind they can support to their family as well. Reliance Foundation currently support 200 athletes in more than the 10 Olympic support. So the Reliance Foundation is the NGO of the Reliance industry and led by the Neeta Ambani. She is also elected as the representative of the India for the Paris Olympics. The foundation has 10 athletes. The foundation has the 10 athletes competing at the Paris Olympics and the two competing at the Paris Para Olympics. Out of the 12 athletes who have qualified the Olympics, 8 are the women. Yes, it is very well, because in this it is a milestone for this Olympic that they are able to achieve the 50% 50% uh, male to female ratio, but they are still emphasize that the leadership or the coach ratio is still more when it comes to the male, and the leadership role of the woman is still lagging behind the in this Olympics. Meanwhile, the entire women Archie contributed to product the Tata Archie Academy, including the current of the Ankita Bhatt and this school. Said Chanakya Dairy, Vice President of the corporate Tata Steel, and the company's total spending is so overall all the good companies of the India like Reliance through Reliance Foundation, Tata Group through Tata Foundation, JSW are contributing more and more their capital contribution to build towards this Olympics and the sports by providing training facility, good diet, health and medicine, and also their capital support to support their family. Adani Group also is principally sponsoring the Paris Olympics. Has made a significant investment training the sport person, sports management, travel agency. Go chief executive has closed 20 crores. Sponsorship have come broad a larger corporate. State and NTPC supported the archery in a big way and not sponsored the athlete for the sport. However, the archery sports have NTPC and the Indian Archery is participating 27 companies spoken person. So overall, all these companies are participating.